Here's what you can expect when you go to court for the first time for your driving while under suspension charge. First, your court date will be online. When you get charged with driving while under suspension, the police officer gives you a summons. On that summons, you'll see that your appearance is required at a court on a specific date and time. What's new in 2022 is that your court date will be online, most likely via Zoom. In some courts in Ontario, your court appearance will be by phone. The connection details for your court date should have been given to you by the police officer. If you do not have the connection details, then you should contact the court and they will give you the information on how to connect. Second, you have to attend. Your appearance in court, either on video or by phone, is not optional. You have to attend. If you don't attend, you may be subject to further charges. And the court, without you knowing, will set a future court date for you. In the event that you miss your court date, you should contact the court to find out what happened and when your next court date is. Third, this court date is not a trial. Your first court date for your driving while under suspension charge is not a trial date. This court date is called a first appearance because it's the first time you're appearing before the court for your case. The primary purpose of this court date is for your charge to legally be transferred into the court's jurisdiction and for you to get the evidence. Finally, because this court date is not a trial, the officer that charged you will not be there. Fourth, get your evidence. As I just mentioned, the key purpose of your first court appearance is to get the evidence that the prosecutor will be using to convict you. Your evidence will be included in a package called disclosure. On your court date, ask the prosecutor for your disclosure and make arrangements on how you can get it. Fifth, you will get a new court date. At the end of your court appearance, the Justice of the Peace will give you a new court date, which you will have to attend. The reason why you get a new court date is to give the prosecutor time to send you the evidence. Make sure you write down that new court date in your calendar, as the court will not send you a reminder. Sixth, you cannot record your court appearance. The rules regarding recording are very clear. You cannot record any audio, nor can you record any video, and you cannot take any screenshots. If you do, you'll be subject to very serious charges. If you've been charged with a driving while under suspended license charge in Ontario, your legal strategy is critical because you're facing a mandatory 6-month driving ban, and in some cases you may be facing jail time. Reach out, let's have a free and confidential discussion about your case.